Hello folks, Mundane Man here again, and I am out on the Iron Horse Trail again. Took a different route this time. I drove northeast towards the town of Ashmont, where there's another staging area there, and I picked up the trail and I'm driving all the way up to Bonnyville, past Moose Lake. It's a fairly easy trip because the trail is like driving on a country road for most of it. Some of it's a little bit washboardy and rough, but for the most part it's a really easy ride. If you got 4 hours and you feel like taking a little trip, that's a nice way to do it. And there's stops along the way where you can get gas and food if you want, or just make sure you have enough for yourself. So anyways, that's my day today, so we'll catch you later. My friends is an old Pontiac Laurentian, about a 67. It's a good old prairie car. You see a lot of these in Alberta. That green was a popular color in Alberta too, I don't know why. Well, that's the end of that little ride. That was about 130 kilometers round trip. Easy ride, like I said. It's like driving down a country road. So if you're looking for a nice way to spend an afternoon on your quad or side by side, we'll certainly fit down those trails. It's really good. So I went from Ashmont, Alberta to Bonnyville, past Moose Lake. And Moose Lake I'd never really ever known about before, but it looks like a nice place. And it's just probably on the south end of Bonnyville, I think. Well, that's it for this edition of Mundane Man. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.